to Liam Martin. He's live in Scituate, where obviously as night falls and the ocean continues to still roar in the area, Liam, there are still concerns. Still have to be careful out there.
Oh, absolutely, Ed. And as you can tell, the winds are certainly still whipping here as well. We had two different stages of intense flooding here in Scituate. You can see the remnants of that between these two houses on Jericho Road. I don't know quite how well you can see those waters still just pouring in between these two houses. And in fact, up where I'm standing right now is some of that frozen seawater to give you a sense of how cold it is. Over on Oceanside Drive, just before that 5 o'clock high tide, really bad timing, there was a breach in the seawall. That led to some very significant flooding over in those communities. We talked with one woman who had 6 feet of water in her basement, and the water itself on her house was a good, I don't know, 4 feet high. These houses right here are stilts. We talked with the woman in this house on the right just a little while ago, and she stayed here. She said she sent her kids and her dogs and her pets everywhere else, but she stayed here. She wanted to see it coming in. That surreal feeling of looking out your window and seeing, wow, my house is being surrounded by water at the moment. They're somewhat used to it here in Scituate, but this certainly was more intense than they're used to getting. In fact, a few elderly folks over on Turner Road, just a little ways from us here, they had to be evacuated by the National Guard and local fire rescue here, and there are a few other people who had to be taken out of their homes because the flooding was worse than they anticipated. That morning flooding that we had, and then the 5 o'clock flooding here today. Now, the good news is it has started to recede, but the cleanup is going to be intense again because it is so cold that some of the seawater has actually frozen. That's going to make getting this up and out of here more difficult. The good news is not as much snow, and that high tide is over and the waters have started to recede, so there's light at the end of the tunnel, but tomorrow is going to be a long day, Ed and Heather.